Hello everybody, welcome to Active Physics by your video channel. In today's video, we are going to see a multiple choice question from the chapter Current Electricity, which is in your unit 12 of your NEET syllabus. The question is column 1. So it is column 1, it is column 2. Column 1 gives certain physical terms associated with flow of current through a metallic conductor. Okay. Column 2 gives some mathematical relations involving electrical quantities. Match column 1 and column 2 with appropriate relations. Okay. In column 1 are given A, B, C, D. In column 2, P, Q, R, S. Drift velocity, electrical resistivity, relaxation period, and current density. These are all the 4 physical terms. These are the 4 mathematical relations. P, M divided by Ne square by rho, the Q, NeVd, and R, E, what is E? Charge of electron, what is capital E? Electrical intensity, divided by M into 2, what is 2? Relaxation period. Okay, it's a symbol for relaxation period. And column S is E by J. So option S is E by J. So after correctly matching the column, the answer will be like this. You are given 4 options: A to R, B to S, C to P, D to Q. And option 2, A to R, B to S, C to Q, D to P. And third one is A to R, B to P, C to S, D to Q. A to R, B to P, Q, C to S, D to P. So these are all the 4 options. See, every option, in all the 4 options, A is associated to R. Okay, so it could be correct. Okay, let's see the question. Discuss the question. You know that drift velocity Vd is the average velocity occurred by the electrons inside the conductor when it is subjected to an electric field E. So even in your textbook, it has been given that the drift velocity Vd is equal to E tau divided by M. What is E? Charge of electron. What is M? Mass of electron. What is E? Electric field. I have to say electric field intensity. And tau is the relaxation period. In your most of our textbook, it has been given that it is not given as relaxation period, but mean free time. Both are one and the same. It means the time taken between 2 successive collisions. So between 2 successive collisions, it is freely traveling in the air, in the space. Is it not? So the time taken between the 2 successive collisions means it takes relaxation. So relaxation period. So A to R. So A is associated with R. Then comes electrical resistivity rho. You know that it is the inverse of electrical conductivity. That is rho is equal to 1 by sigma. Rho is equal to 1 by sigma. Also you know that current density J is equal to minus sigma into E. So this equation has been given in your textbook. This is also given in your textbook. So you bring sigma to LHS and bring J to the other side. So what will happen? 1 by sigma is equal to sigma E by J, is it not? When this J comes here, it will go to the denominator. When this sigma comes here, it will go to the denominator. So 1 by sigma is equal to A by G. But you know that electrical resistivity is a reciprocal of electrical conductivity or inverse of electrical conductivity. So rho is equal to E by J. So in that way, B to S is the correct approximation, correct matching. Then relaxation period 2. You know that the value of sigma is given by the expression Ne square tau divided by E. What is N? Current density. What is it? No, not current density. Number of electrons per unit value. Electron concentration. So Ne square tau by M. So rho is equal to just inverse 1 by sigma, that is equal to M divided by Ne square tau. That way, relaxation time tau is equal to M divided by Ne square tau. So C is matching with B. So A is matching with R, B is matching with S, C is matching with B. And what about the next one? Current density J. What is current density? As per the definition, it is the current per unit area of cross section. That means what? I divided by A. What is J? You know that? Ne square AVD. It's a current I divided by A. So A and A gets cancelled. So it is equal to NeVd. So J is equal to NeVd, which is your Q. Okay, so current density is equal to D, option D. So D is matching with Q. So the correct of the 4 options given to you, answer 1, option 1 is a correct matching, appropriate matching of the physical terms and the mathematical relations. Okay, A to R, B to S, C to P, and D to Q. Okay, so we will see one more question, one more multiple choice question from this chapter current electricity in our next video also. Okay, till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.